Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install ShareX on Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, you can simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for ShareX and then click enter. You will going to get the download option for ShareX. Click on the downloads, and from here you're going to find out the latest one. Click on that. Click on the setup.exe. Click on download, and it's about 120 MB. It will take some seconds to complete. After that, you can simply click on this folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, and click on run. Click yes for the permission, and as you can see, your setup wizard came in. Click on I accept the agreement, click next, and install. And as you can see, the installation is begin. After that, your installation is completed. Now if you click on the finish, and here is your ShareX is rightly opened in your computer, you can simply see. So yeah, this is how we can simply download, install ShareX in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.